Next question on issue of debentures. J Limited issued 10,000 6% debentures at a premium of 10%. Means what? 10% premium पे issue किया है. This is a case of issue of debentures at premium which were redeemable at par and redemption is at par. So issue of debentures at premium and redemption at par. Face value of the said debentures is 10 each. मतलब 10 each यदि face value है 10% प्रीमियम है तो 1 रुपीज प्रीमियम हो गया एंड 11 इज द अमाउंट पर डिबेंचर दैट यू विल रिसीव. जर्नलाइज द सेड ट्रांजैक्शंस. ओके, सो बैंक में अमाउंट आने का एंट्री तो सेम ही होगा, चाहे आप पार पे इशू करो, चाहे आप प्रीमियम पे, चाहे आप डिस्काउंट पे. द एंट्री विल रिमेन द सेम. Bank account debit to debenture application account and the amount will vary par pay. You don't have to do any calculation. Debenture if issued in premium, add the premium and then take it into bank, and if it is discount, subtract the discount amount and then take the total amount into bank. So our first entry, bank account debit to debenture application account being application money received will be your narration. Being application money received. So how much? 10,000 6% debentures. So 10,000. This was issued at premium. So we got the amount with premium. Lump sum का question है, एक साथ ही सारा amount आएगा. Amount is received with premium. So 10,000 into 11, that comes up to 1,10,000. Okay, so first entry we have recorded for receiving the amount into bank. Now what is the second entry? Second entry is being debentures issued at premium and also allotted. So allotment की entry करते हैं. Debenture application account debit अभी जस्ट आपने इसको क्रेडिट किया था, सेम को ही आपको इधर डेबिट करना है. डिबेंचर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट डेबिट. अब डिस्काउंट होता तो एक्सपेंस होता, आप यहां पर डेबिट में ही डिस्काउंट भी लिख देते, बट दिस इज द केस ऑफ प्रीमियम, तो हम प्रीमियम को क्रेडिट करेंगे एंड सेम टाइम 6% डिबेंचर्स हैं, सो 6% डिबेंचर्स को भी क्रेडिट करेंगे टू 6% debentures account and to securities premium reserve account. Now let's see for the amount. देखो, debenture application 1,10,000 था here. So same amount you will take in the next entry also, 1,10,000. Okay, so this is done. Now 6% debentures at face value. So face value क्या है? 10 rupees per debenture. It is given in the question, 10 each, right? So 6% debentures. How many debentures? 10,000. And face value of 10 each. So 10,000 into 10, 1 lakh. And what is the premium amount? 1 rupees is the premium amount. So 10,000 into 1, that is 10,000, goes to securities premium reserve account. So this was the case of issue of debentures at premium and redemption at par. रिडम्पशन जब होगा तब उसकी बात करेंगे. अभी आप इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स पढ़ रहे हैं. सो इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स एट प्रीमियम, ये एंट्री आप देख रहे हैं. एंड दिस इज हाउ वी जर्नलाइज इट. टेक द टोटल 2,20,000. Okay, so this question also over.